Hi, this is Vineet. As we discussed in the morning, I will be just doing a real quick review on how we can monitor and manage the dialer on our day-to-day usage in case of non-availability of dialer support, or this is for your general knowledge as well. So first what we will do is that I'll be real quick in covering up all the areas. First what we do is that it's a general overview of how exactly it looks. So once you log in with your admin name and password, you will be able to see this screen. This is the first dashboard screen that you will get. It will show how many agents are logged in onto the dialer right now, how many of them are on calls, and how many calls are ringing. This is the system summary. So it will have the number of users is 152, 2 inactive, so it's total 154 users. We have about 12 campaigns, 1 is inactive, 11 is active. There is over 302 inactive list and 40 active list, so there are about 342 lists that has been loaded, and then we have only one DID that we are showcasing for now, right? So this is the stats for today. So over 52,000 calls have been dialed, and the maximum number of agents in any given point of time we had is 41. So here stats for yesterday. On this particular server we had about 43 agents, and a total calls of about 96,000 calls have been made. So this is what the overview dashboard screen looks like. Now moving to the next part, that is once we will go to the campaign management. First thing that you need to do is that if you want to go to the dashboard, you can select any of the 4 buttons that you will see here, tabs. If you'll click on any of them, you will come down to the real-time page. This is where you will be able to analyze and see how many agents are calling, what exactly are they doing. So the sky blue ones are waiting for the calls, white are getting the calls transferred right now, pink are on calls for a long time, and light pink ones are like they have just started their call. Now this is by default section for set up to 40 seconds to refresh, but if we want, we can go to this option of choose report display options right on top. If you'll click in there, there will be a small drop down box that opens up. Here I can make it down to 4 seconds as well. So every 4 seconds this particular section will keep on refreshing. So I'll get to know that in every 4 seconds what exactly it is happening. So right now 59 calls is being placed by the dialer. There is about 20% drop ratio. Here 62 calls are ringing. We have 15 agents logged in. I guess a lot of them are on break. Apart from that, what we need to know is if I want to go in a specific campaign to see what exactly is happening, here is an option for summary. If I'll go to the summary part, there every campaign is bifurcated, so I can just select any specific campaign that I want to know what exactly is happening in that campaign. So for an example, installation X client, 3 agents are logged in, they have about 26% of drop ratio, and if I want to see only that specific campaign and just need to focus on them, how they are performing, so I don't need to see all the other agents who are dialing, so I can click here specifically on this campaign and I'll be getting a screen only for those agents who are dialing for a specific campaign. So I don't need to go to the entire area where I can see all the agents that are available, but limit myself to just one specific campaign, and I can monitor them as well if that is what my priority is, or if something specifically I'm looking for in a certain campaign. This would give me more of an ease to look after that specific campaign rather than seeing everyone. So again, if I want to go back, I can just click on the AMG logo. I'll come back to the main login page, click on any of the tabs, I'll be again back to all campaigns view. So here is what the overview dashboard looks like for our understanding, right? Apart from that, the second thing that we'll move on to is the campaign management. So this is where we'll get to know that how exactly we can monitor and manage the campaign. So for an example, we have 11 different campaigns here: HVAC 2018, HVAC X client, installation 2018, installation X client, various campaigns like that. So if you will open any of those campaigns, I just need to click on that tab where the campaign name is highlighted. So I'll be able to see all these options, wherein first this is the campaign name, this campaign is active, so if I want to deactivate it, I can just drop down, select it as N, I'll go down, I'll submit here. If I'll submit here, this campaign will get deactivated. So if I want to reactivate again I'll make it Y, I'll go down and I'll submit, and this will get activated again, right? This is the dial status. All this dispositions that you see is the dial status that will automatically get rechurned, right? So let it be outbound pre-routing drop, there would be agent not available on